Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 1, that is graphs in economics or standard 12 commerce subject economics. So this is the 8th part of the chapter number 1 and first to 7th part is linked in the description. So today here we are going to see types of graphs. So there are different type of graphs that is used in economics. So which are they that we see today, and again we are going to see time series graph in a D. In our last video we have seen types of diagram. In that we have seen that mainly 3 types of diagram, that is time based line diagram, then bar diagram and pie diagram. So here let's see types of graphs. Now let's see types of graphs. So here there are 3 types of graphs. Where first is a time series graph. So time series graph is drawn to show the regular or irregular change during the certain period of time. So that is called time series graph. The second one is a graph for continuous frequency distribution. So when we are going to draw graph for the frequency distribution, in that very first is a histogram. Histogram is a graph where we are going to draw the graph with the help of bar, but here the bar will be side by side. It is the bar will be connected to each other, and that's why it is called histogram. The next one is a frequency polygon. So in the frequency polygon again we are going to select the plot. We are going to plot the x and y axis, and then we are going to draw the line, and from that we are going to come to the conclusion. Next one is a frequency curve. So here we are going to get the curve with the help of the plotted point. The next one is a cumulative frequency polygon. So here the plotted point will be in a such a way so that the circle can be come out. So that type of graph is called cumulative frequency polygon. And the last one is a logarithmic graph. So these are the types of graphs. Students, you may note down this in your notebook, and then we are going to see very first type of graph, that is the time series graph, and this is the only graph that is in the syllabus of 12 commerce. Others is not in the syllabus, so that we are going to see the next. Let's see time series graph. So here the definition of time series is given, that is in a trade cycle or in a cycle of economic activity, short term and long term regular or irregular changes are observed. That we have seen that in economic activity we can see short term or long term, and regular or irregular changes can be seen. The trend of such changes are obtained with the help of statistical tools, and when graphs are drawn by taking these changes as a variable and find time period as a base, then such graphs are called time series graph. So here with the help of statistical tool and the graph is drawn, and while drawing this graph when we are taking time as a base, so when there is a time in a x axis and the other variable on a y-axis, that type of graph when it is drawn, it is called time series graph. So this is the definition of time series graph. Students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to see the use of technology in the subject of economics.